Hey friends, and welcome back to another series that we're going to do. This one is one of the favorites of mine, which is paint. What type of paint to use on what surfaces and what type of look you want. And I did a handy dandy guide for you that you can download as a PDF, and you can kind of use it to kind of check off as we go through the different projects that we're going to do. I love to paint things. Go back through the blog, and I put some links on there that you can look through some of the projects. Yes, I have painted my piano. I have painted a refrigerator. I have painted cabinets. I have painted floors. I've painted ceilings. I have painted frames. I've painted metal. I've painted wood. You name it, I have tried paints on it, and I love it. I love to see what paint can do to a project. So this video is to show you that it's an overview of the things that we're going to be talking about. So make sure you download that guide. And then if you're not part of our email list, would you get on it if you want some reminders? We're going to be doing, for the next 4 weeks, we're going to be showing you the different tips and tutorials and how to paint different things in your home. So I hope that you join us, and we look forward to seeing you.